Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bond soul to soul with your man or your woman for that matter. Are you new to my channel? Click on the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Let's learn how you can bond soul to soul with the one you love. Be free to open up and openly talk to the person you love about how you feel. Say what exactly is on your mind in detail. Do not leave any stone unturned. Do not leave any feeling covered. Pour out your mind. Pour out your soul to this person. Talk. Let them know how you feel exactly about them. Find a time that is convenient, that is calm, and speak your mind. Communicate your mind and let your partner know, feel you, bond with you, and understand you. Marriage is a place where we open our hearts, where we share everything in detail. Never marry someone you are afraid to pour your heart out to. You have to be free to talk because you are bonded to this person. So you have to be as free as possible to express exactly how you feel about them. Do not withhold any feeling. Talk everything. Talk your feelings. Pour your heart out to your husband or your wife. Talk about the problems you're experiencing. Talk about the challenges you're experiencing. This is not a mere relationship. This is your marriage. Many things and many issues, and all issues can be resolved by talking in marriage. Don't think that sex is going to solve this. Don't think that gifts are going to solve this. You want to bond one-on-one with your partner. Get talking. If you need help, talk to him. If you need love, talk to him. If you need sex, talk to him. If you need clarification, talk to him. If you need guidance, talk to him. If you need to heal your broken heart, talk to him. If you need guidance about your future, talk to him. If you need guidance about your career, talk to him. Talk to her. This way you are going to bond one-on-one well with your partner in marriage. Celebrate your partner. Advise your partner, encourage your partner, praise your partner. Talk, talk, talk. You realize everything goes with talking. Without talking, you can't do anything. You can't reach anywhere in marriage. I will stress this more and more times. Talk to your partner. You can't solve anything without talking. You can't sleep it off. You can't sex it off. You can't gift it off. Talk, talk, talk. Do not wait till it's too late. Don't go mute when your partner is doing things that you don't want, that don't make you happy. Now is the right time to talk. Don't wait when your body and your mind and your soul has been filled with a lot of anger, when you can talk no more. Talk now. It will help you to bond with your partner, and it will grow your marriage even stronger. Share your heart. Share your concerns and issues in the right atmosphere. Your partner will love you for opening up, for being transparent and being an open book to them. Whatever you like him to do or her to do, you want to make love, talk. You want him or her to buy you something, talk. You want him or her to do something. Do not keep quiet and assume that since I'm a man, they know they have to do this. I won't talk. Since I'm a woman, they know they have to do for me this. They know it is this day, they have to honor me. They know since I'm the mother of the baby, I need a push gift. Your husband is not a magician. He will not assume it. He will not think it. Talk. Talk, talk, talk. Do not be shy. Do not go mute.